Hey guys, it's Keith Allen. I wanted to give you a quick overview of what our MTF Mean Reversion Indicator is all about. It might even give us a signal here as I give you this explainer. If you're not familiar with what mean reversion is, it's a very simple principle. Price likes to return to mean. If we consider this white line here, which is the 0.5 fib on this grid as mean, we can see that every time price deviates from there, it likes to snap back. That works in both directions. Price goes up from mean, it comes back. Price deviates lower than mean, it comes back. And that is the very simple principle of this indicator. Now we're working here with 1 minute candles, and I've got a very tight deviation here to 1.5%. So I'm looking for pretty shallow dips here to be able to scalp and turn these trades quickly. Now you could set this up and do as deep a deviations as you want. You can layer in as many grids as you want. And if you wanted to use this for more of a buy the dip accumulation strategy, or even to build positions, DCA your way into a position for a swing trading strategy, you would use deeper deviations. For what I'm doing, this has really been the range that Bitcoin has been trading here recently. So I'm sticking with the tighter deviations, 1.5%. We did see a couple of trades in the 2% deviation range here over the past week or so. So that's also active for me. And you can see it works with great consistency. Price likes to live at mean, and anytime it deviates, it likes to snap back. Perfect example. This was back on last Friday. Perfect call right down to the 40K range, and price snapped back very, very quickly. This was a trade that moved to profit nice and fast. That's what we like to see. That's also a pretty robust one, almost 4.75% here, really in just a few hours. So again, these are 1 minute candles, so these happen fast. That's not the norm here. I'll let you know, right? For us to dump that hard and that fast and recover to almost 5%. The average here, at least what I look for, is a 1.25% target on these lower deviations. They hit with 95% or better consistency, most of them within 36 hours, many of them within minutes or just a few hours. Some take a little longer, but the average is very, very good. The strike rate on this indicator is very, very good, needless to say. Even in this situation, right, price was degrading, and this signal still went into profit pretty quickly. Might not have been enough for what you were looking for, but if you had DCA'd down with the rest of these positions, you would have had a pretty decent entry. Let's just ballpark the average here and say that our entry was around 41K. You still would have had a better than a 2.5% trade in really a matter. What's that? That's about 24 hours. So still a great trade there. If you're interested in the MTF Mean Reversion Indicator, it comes bundled with our trend precognition indicators. Both, of course, available on TradingView with a subscription. If you go to a premium level plan, it comes with Fire Charts 1.0 as well. Ooh, we got price dipping down again still. If you take it one level further to a Premium Plus plan, that includes all the above plus Fire Charts 2.0 beta and all the cool tools inside the MI dashboard. Lots more information for it here on our website at materialindicators.com. Lots of tutorials on our YouTube channel at Material Indicators. Let's see if this thing hits before we sign off here and see if we get a new signal out of this. Let's see, because price is still dipping down. When price crosses that bottom level, if it's more than a wick, right? So these are 1 minute candles. It can't just wick through it. It's got to close down there. Looks like we didn't quite make that scalp, right? Price did not quite reach that deviation, so that's okay. Another one is around the corner. Learn more at materialindicators.com.